Supercars mix performance and practicality quite like an Audi RS estate, and that's exactly what we've been testing on Irish roads this week. This is the new Audi RS4 Avant, and it's quite a departure from the old RS4 too. Gone is the thunderous 4.2 litre V8 engine in the last RS4 in favour of a downsized 2.9 litre V6 turbocharged unit. The new RS4 looks incredible from the outside, and it's faster than ever before too. But would you have it over a Mercedes AMG C63 estate? Let's take a quick look around it now to see what it's like. The RS4's new 2.9 litre V6 engine is the same unit used in the latest RS5 Coupe, and it churns out 450 brake horsepower with 600 Newton meters of torque. Matching this with an all-wheel drive system and an 8-speed automatic gearbox, it is incredibly potent off the line, with 0 to 100 km an hour taking just 4.1 seconds, and it will go on to a top speed of 250 km an hour. There's even a standard launch control function which lets it sprint off the line even faster. Although the RS4 Avant is performance orientated, it is still quite practical for daily use. Open the boot and there's over 500 litres of room with the rear seats in place, which is slightly more than the Mercedes AMG C63. It's a similar story up front with lots of usable storage areas and room to seat 4 adults in comfort. RS logos on the gear lever, a leather-wrapped steering wheel and body-hugging sport seats give the RS4 a sense of occasion, and Audi's virtual cockpit and MMI infotainment systems are standard and are both very easy to use. The RS4 Avant is incredibly striking from the outside, with all of the usual RS goodies that you would expect. Our test car is finished in Navarra blue with these striking 20-inch anthracite alloy wheels and other carbon fibre detailing throughout the car. Prices for the new Audi RS4 Avant start from just over €101,000 in Ireland, which is in similar territory to the Mercedes C63 AMG estate. The new Audi RS4 is an immensely capable super estate with performance to thrill and space to lug large loads. While the new V6 engine lacks character compared to its predecessor, there is no doubting its performance however. The new RS4 is also more refined than ever before, with great new technology and comfort suited to Irish roads. So accomplished is the RS4 that it isn't quite as exciting to drive as some of its rear-wheel driven rivals however. With optional extras, it proves rather expensive too. That said, if you're looking for a blisteringly fast estate, there are a few better options on the market right now, and it's definitely one to shortlist. Check out Carzone now to read our full review for the new Audi RS4 Avant, where you can also browse examples for sale around Ireland from trusted Audi sellers right now.